Hello and welcome to the short YouTube video of ExcelAnalyzer, the most powerful Excel add-in for error-free spreadsheets. ExcelAnalyzer comes as an extra button in your Excel ribbon. ExcelAnalyzer is about discovering the DNA of a spreadsheet, and it goes much further than just reviewing all used formulas in the spreadsheet. It also checks if your spreadsheet has VBA code, if it contains tables or pivot tables, charts, conditional formats, intersheet connection formulas, hidden columns and rows, and many more. Research of KPMG shows that 95% of all spreadsheets have errors, while 95% believe that spreadsheets are error-free. ExcelAnalyzer is all about trust, save time, improve quality, and reduce cost. Now let's jump to Excel and show you how to review spreadsheets with ExcelAnalyzer. Here you see a spreadsheet with a lot of different tabs, with a lot of different calculations. The question is, how can you review this spreadsheet with ExcelAnalyzer? ExcelAnalyzer is an extra button in the Excel ribbon. Just click on ExcelAnalyzer, and ExcelAnalyzer has two main analyses, the formula analysis and the workbook summary. Just click on the formula analysis button. You will get this screen, and it shows that this demo sheet has 19 tabs. Just select all the tabs you want to review, click on Start, and here you will see the progress bar, which shows the progress of the analysis. Once the review process is done, ExcelAnalyzer will add copies of the original sheets in your spreadsheet. Just check the first 12-month profit and loss projection. Is this calculation correct, yes or no? We just check the copied sheet. What ExcelAnalyzer will do, it will highlight constant cells light gray, text get a dark gray color, and every unique formula gets a different color. We will click on this Tracing Formulas button, and you will see that the blue formulas add up correctly the 3 rows above. So what happened here? Why is green a different color? Because here you forgot probably row 4. And here you forgot probably row 6. Now, reviewing is a process. You check it, and you have also to fix the problem. For fixing the problem, just click on the Edit Formulas button. The original sheet is also selected, and now fix your spreadsheet like this. Here you forgot row 6, just fix it, and here you forgot row 10, and just fix it. In this case, you fix your problem in the copy sheet, but also in the original sheet. But let's make it a little bit more difficult. Just jump to sheet 4. The question is this calculation correct, yes or no? Just check the copied sheet. And you will notice that there are a lot of different colors, because every column is a different formula. This is a VLOOKUP with hardcode at number 6, VLOOKUP with hardcode at number 7. Just go below. Here there was an inconsistency, and here there was an inconsistency. Click on this Edit Formulas button again. The original sheet is selected, and just fix it like this, fix it like this. The first formula analysis will also generate a report like this. In the formula analysis report, you will see all formulas used in the spreadsheet. So for example, somebody put a hard-coded number in the second sheet. It's not incorrect, but it's always good to know that this hard-coded number is in the formula. From the report, you click on this link and you jump to the same spot in the copied sheet, to here. Once you are done and reviewed all sheets, just click on Delete all copied sheet, and you finish where you started, but now you have a correct spreadsheet. The second and last analysis of ExcelAnalyzer is the workbook summary. Just click on Start. The workbook summary summarizes everything from the spreadsheet except formulas, because formulas you already analyzed with the formula analysis button. It will generate a detailed report, a model flow report, and a general report. The detailed report shows you, for example, which comments are used in the spreadsheet. So for example, you click on this link. This is a comment, and the text in the comment will be put in here. So you have all details of every comment in the spreadsheet here. Does your spreadsheet have objects? Does it have VBA code? Yes or no? But also, does your spreadsheet contain charts? So for example, in sheet 16 we have 5 charts. If you hover with your mouse, you will see that we made a print screen of the chart and we put it in the comments. So you have all chart info in just one report. You can even make an error in a chart, and then you will see here that there's an error. The second model flow report shows you the links between the sheets. So is your spreadsheet a spaghetti spreadsheet, yes or no? ExcelAnalyzer color codes all sheets. So for example, standalone sheets are the light green sheets which doesn't have any link to another sheet or from another sheet. So you can take them out without destroying any formula. You can also see that in sheet 3 there's one external formula, and in sheet 19 there are 15 external formulas. And last but not least, ExcelAnalyzer generates a general report. And this general report shows you general info about the spreadsheet. So for example, is your sheet hidden or is it very hidden? Is your sheet protected, yes or no? Formula statistic, so you know which sheet in your spreadsheet is the bottleneck. Why is this sheet so big? Because maybe it has a lot of formulas or a lot of constant cells. And what's the minimum and maximum value for every sheet? There's much more to show about ExcelAnalyzer, but please attend one of our webinars, and I would like to thank you for your attention for this video. Goodbye.